Are you ready to make a cool $1 million per year building interactive chatbots with ChatGPT-3? Let's get started. Step 1. First things first, head on over to OpenAI's website and open an account using your email. Step 2. Time to have some fun in the playground. Search for the GPT-3 tool and play around with it. Just a heads up, there may be a cost to use it, but you can always roll that cost into your fee or use GPT-3 to draft a contract that includes language that your client has to pay. The choice is yours, but remember, this is not legal advice. Step 3. ChatGPT-3 will provide you with the code and you can train the chatbot in the playground. Don't forget to document this process so you can scale it in the future with a virtual assistant. Step 4. Now it's time to head over to Fiverr.com and create an account. You'll be able to see some of the contractors charging between $500, $6,000 per project. Exciting stuff. Step 5. Time to show off your skills. Market yourself across social media and focus on local businesses as you hone your skills. Step 6. Start building your portfolio by taking on small projects for local businesses. This will give you the opportunity to showcase your skills and build a reputation in the industry. Step 7. As you gain more experience and build a strong portfolio, reach out to larger companies and organizations. Pitch your services and show them how a well-designed chatbot can improve their customer service and increase sales. Step 8. Keep your skills sharp by staying up to date with the latest advancements in chatbot technology. This will allow you to offer more advanced features and increase your rates. Step 9. Network with other professionals in the industry and attend events and conferences to stay informed and make connections. Step 10. Scale your business by hiring virtual assistants or contractors to handle the workload as you take on more clients. This will allow you to take on more projects and increase your income. By following these steps, you can potentially make $1 million per year building interactive chatbots with ChatGPT-3. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get building. Welcome the digital passive income revolution. Please smash that like button and don't forget to follow.